at 1:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Arroyo City, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Laurels and Pondelasco Elementary around 1:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Los Fresnos High School around 1:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Holly Beach around 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Laguna Vista Police Department around 1:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Del March Heights, Los Yescas Elementary School, Latina, Bayview, Los Yescas, Monte Grande and Port Isabel, Laguna Heights. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
You are not going to believe me what just happened. My first tornado warning ever in Brownsville. I never seen that happen before. You will not going to believe me.